Hi everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. On this channel, we sometimes talk about lifestyle, travel, and DIY, like in this video here. So the first piece you're going to be needing is a 1 inch by 2 feet by 2 feet wood round. And then again, stain. I'm using the Early American stain. Please use gloves when you do use a stain. I didn't have any more gloves, and honestly I wasn't going to run out to the store and buy some more because the nearest store to me was all out of stock. But when you do recreate this, please just use gloves. So I let that dry for about an hour. Then I went on top with this next stain, which is Jacobean stain. I wanted more of a mixed color, not too dark and not too light. So this is why I'm combining the two. And question of the day, do you guys prefer paint or stain? Please go ahead and leave the answers in the comments below. Next, I'm going to be using my Cricut to print out the lettering for this Lazy Susan. If you don't have a Cricut, I would suggest you freestyle it or use a stencil and paint it in. So here I'm just showing you everything that I did use to create the turntables for the Lazy Susan. I am using a turntable, I'm using wood nails, I did pick up some hardware from Home Depot, and I'm also using felt pads to go underneath the turntables. So I'm going to be using transfer tape to transfer the letters to the board, and which is I'm doing in this next scene right here. So here I'm just going in. If I see any bubbles, I am flattening them all back out. If you are using vinyl, I would make sure that there's no bubbles because I am going to seal this too as well in the end. This part is really easy. Honestly, I just eyeballed the middle part of it, but if you want to take a tape measure just to make sure that you're in the center of the circle, you're just going to be going ahead and screwing those wood screws into all four corners. And I also put felt on the tips of it, so it So here I'm going in with the sealant just to make sure that I have it all sealed off. I am going to be putting food on top of this board, so I want to make sure it is food safe. So here I'm just going to be flipping the board over and placing the handles on there, and you'll see how I do it in this next step. So here you guys want to measure the distance between where you want your two handles to be at. I kind of eyeballed it, to be honest. The lettering actually lined up perfectly. So here I'm just showing you that I'm about to be screwing in the second handle to So we here have the final product. The board is very easy to make, to be honest with you. You guys can knock this out within an hour and a half, even less time, if you pre-stain or paint your board the night before. This is the finished product. I went ahead and kind of dressed it up with a little bit of food just to show you how it looks. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like videos like this, or if you like anything about lifestyle, DIYs, and travel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye now.